The Book of Haggai is a prophetic work found in the Hebrew Bible and the Christian Old Testament. It is attributed to the prophet Haggai, who lived during the 6th century BCE and prophesied in Jerusalem after the Babylonian exile. The book contains messages of encouragement and exhortation to the people of Judah to rebuild the temple of God in Jerusalem after their return from exile. Summary of Haggai. 1. The call to rebuild the temple. Haggai's prophecy begins with a call to the leaders of Judah, including Zerubbabel, the governor, and Joshua, the high priest. He urges them and the people to rebuild the temple of God, which had been destroyed during the Babylonian invasion. 2. The rebuke for neglecting God's house. Haggai confronts the people for their neglect in rebuilding the temple while they focus on their own comfort and prosperity. He points out that their lack of dedication to God's house has led to economic hardship and dissatisfaction. 3. The promise of God's presence. Haggai reassures the people that God is with them and will bless their efforts to rebuild the temple. He encourages them not to be discouraged by the temple's humble appearance compared to its former glory, because God's presence will make it a place of honor and peace. 4. The signet ring. Haggai delivers a message of hope to Zerubbabel, likening him to God's signet ring. This symbolizes God's approval and authority, indicating that Zerubbabel will be instrumental in restoring the temple and establishing God's sovereignty. 5. The obedience of the people. Responding to Haggai's words, the people of Judah are stirred to action. They obey God's command through Haggai, and they resume the construction of the temple with renewed enthusiasm. 6. The promise of blessings. In response to the people's obedience, God promises to bless them and provide for their needs. He assures them of His favor and protection, promising a future of prosperity and peace. Conclusion. The Book of Haggai serves as an important reminder of the significance of God's house and the importance of putting God's priorities first. Haggai's prophecy encourages the people of Judah to prioritize the rebuilding of the temple, symbolizing their commitment to God and His covenant. The book also emphasizes the importance of obedience to God's commands and the blessings that come from following His will. Through Haggai's words, God reassures His people of His presence, favor, and providence, promising to be with them as they faithfully serve Him. The Book of Haggai is a timely reminder for readers today to remain committed to God's purposes, to prioritize His house, the church, and to find hope and blessings in obeying His will.